Chapter 8. The cardiovascular system. A cardiac cycle. In a normal heartbeat, the two atria contract simultaneously while the two ventricles relax. Then, when the two ventricles contract, the two atria relax. Systole is the term used to refer to a phase of contraction, and diastole is the term for a phase of relaxation. A cardiac cycle or complete heartbeat, therefore, consists of the systole and diastole of both atria and the systole and diastole of both ventricles. The pressure developed in a heart chamber is related to the chamber size and the volume of blood it contains. The greater the volume of blood, the higher the pressure. The average heart beats approximately 72 times per minute. Therefore, we will assume that each cardiac cycle requires about 0.8 seconds. During the first 0.1 second, the atria contract and the ventricles relax. The atrioventricular valves, the bicuspid and tricuspid, are open, and the semilunar valves, aortic and pulmonary, are closed. During the next 0.3 second, the atria are relaxing and the ventricles are contracting. During the first part of this period, all valves are closed to help build pressure. During the second part of this period, the semilunars are open. The last 0.4 second of the cycle is the relaxation or quiescent period. All chambers are in diastole. So for a full 1/2 period of a cycle, the heart muscle is resting. For the first part of this period, all valves are closed. During the latter half, the tricuspid and bicuspid valves open to allow blood to start draining into the ventricles. Some major blood circulatory routes. The systemic circulation route includes all of the oxygenated blood that leaves the left ventricle of the heart through the aortic semilunar valve and goes to the aorta, and the deoxygenated blood that returns to the right atrium of the heart via the superior and inferior vena cava after traveling to all the organs of the body, including the nutrient arteries, to the lungs. There are many subdivisions of this route. Systemic refers to the fact that it is carrying blood to all organs of all the systems of the body. Two of its significant subdivisions are the coronary circulation and the hepatic portal circulation routes. The coronary circulation route supplies the myocardium of the heart. The hepatic portal circulation route travels back and forth from the intestine of the digestive tract to the liver. This route is used to store excess sugars from digestion into the liver after a meal and to release sugar stored in the liver as glycogen between meals to maintain blood glucose levels. The pulmonary circulation is the route that goes from the right ventricle of the heart through the pulmonary semilunar valve to the pulmonary trunk that branches into the right and left pulmonary arteries, which go to the lungs. Here the deoxygenated blood loses its carbon dioxide and picks up the oxygen and returns to the left atrium of the heart via the four pulmonary veins. The cerebral circulation is the blood circulatory route that supplies the brain with oxygen and nutrients and disposes of waste. The fetal circulation, the temporary circulation, is the circulation route that exists only between the developing fetus and its mother. It contains special structures that allow the fetus to exchange oxygen and nutrients with its mother and to get rid of fetal waste products through this connection.